Welcome to this unboxing and setup video for the MAG-9000. First of all, you can see here we have all the contents of the main box laid out. We have a parts box, the actual MAG-9000 body itself, and the manuals. We'll start with going through the parts box. The contents of the parts box will be 3 items. There will be, first of all, 1 pack of 2 wrenches and the grit guard or spark arrestor. The wrenches will be here in the bag, and we'll take these out so you can get a little bit closer look. These are the 2 wrenches needed for taking the grinding wheel off. There's the arbor wrench and the spanner wrench. And then of course we also have the instruction manuals, and all of the warranty information is located in the bag here, and typically your receipt will be in there as well. Now, first thing before starting with anything else is checking for any shipping damage. And of course keep all your packaging so that if there is a problem, it can easily be shipped back. The first thing we like to check over is the cord. Not that the cord was severed or cut in any place along it. And since that looks good, the next thing we want to look at is of course the grinding wheel. Rotate it slowly to make sure that there are no large chunks broken out of it or any damage from that. And also that it spins freely and is not jammed against something. And lastly, for ship damage, is checking the adjustment. Rotating the adjustment and noticing that the wheel raises or lowers smoothly, not that any damage had happened there. Once we have that all gone through and everything looks good on the unit, we can take off the front paper. And then the first thing to mention, of course, when dealing with any equipment is safety gear. Have your glasses and of course gloves on. And once that's established, we can start assembling. And the setup, or the first item of the setup, is the grit guard. You need to remove this threaded knobbed stud, and that's where the grit guard or spark arrestor will mount. And there's 1 washer that is placed on top. And once that's secured, the next thing to move to is the adjustment. When we ship the MAG-9000, we have the grinding wheel raised up quite a bit so that it doesn't hit the sides of the unit or have any damage happen to it. We want to lower the grinding wheel because part of the design of the 9000 is its consistent ability to create a 30-degree cutting edge angle. And to achieve that, we want to lower the grinding wheel right down as close as we possibly can to the work table, or to the corner or edge of the work table here, where it still spins freely. At this point, we would create a 30-degree angle. And then after the adjustment is established, we should test the motor to also make sure that there wasn't any other damage or functionality impaired. The unit's running smooth and quiet and is ready for use. Now, since we've taken care of all of that, the machine again is all ready for use, and if there's anything that was missed, the instruction manual goes through all of these steps as well. Thank you very much for watching, and enjoy your MAG-9000.